calculator. Good to have a little cheap calculator with you. I've got one in the, I've got an extra one that's in the lab in there. You can use your sometimes the cell phone will do it. You need the calculator. I think it's on the bench in there. Just going down, 3 significant figures coming back, down and back. Take the average of those 4. You're controlled by 3 significant figures, so no matter what comes out in that average on that display, you round off to 3 significant figures. Now, that's so many steps per 100 feet. You flip it over, 100 feet divided by whatever your average is. And the results is you round off to 3 significant figures. So, somebody give me your pace factor. Just tell me what you came up with.
2.1041.
No. That's too many significant figures.
Oh, no, that's about fine.
You got to have 3 significant figures.
2.68.
2.68. That's 3 significant figures. No matter what comes across your calculator, you got to round off 3 significant figures because you're controlled by your measurement. And each of your measurements were 3 significant figures. And so when you do math, you can carry out all the decimal points while you're doing your equations to your final results. But what you put down for your client is 3 significant figures if you finish your math. Alright? So if you put down more than 3 significant figures there, I would, even though it's correct, you put down less than 3 significant or more than 3, you round it off wrong, I'd mark it wrong. So in this class, you simply don't write down what's showing up on your calculator screen and then guessing, well, I just, two decimal places. No. It's controlled by your measurements. You're creating the numbers. Alright. Everybody should have a pace factor now. Memorize that. I love putting this on a test. And you don't have your field books. I got them. You got to have it memorized. I always get people on that. What's your pace factor? I can't remember the pace factor. Be neat. Now I'm starting. Okay. Everybody, be neat. Remember, if you make a mistake, you have to put a thin line through it so that I can see what's behind it. You're not trying to scribble it out, trying to block it out. A thin line through it so I can see what's behind your mistake. If it's a dividing line, you have a fraction, something over something, that dividing line is a straight line with your straight edge. It's not a freehand dividing line. Numerator, denominator, you have a straight line, that's with a straight edge. Neat. Everybody neat. Neat as you can. No erasing. Alright, now we're going to pace. I want you to tell me what the distance, I want you to pace it. Start here, and the middle where you estimated, it's the middle. Go 3 islands down, and I put an orange mark on it. Oh, I hope you're not sitting on that wet orange paint. Oh, mine. Was it dry?
It's not too bad.
Okay. From this orange mark to that orange mark, pace it, and you can go down there, get 1 measurement. Coming back, might as well get 2. See how close you are. Take the average of the 2. Do your math. Now remember, you cannot be more than 3 significant figures. Why? Because your pace factor is only 3 significant figures. So I better not have you write down that's 5,283.656 feet. No. It's got to be rounded off to 3 significant figures. But that's what your pace factor is. So tell me what the distance is. Count them going down and count them coming back. Multiply by your pace factor and round off to 3 significant figures.